you so much. I'm called Richard Ochoma. I'm an executive member of FUFA, lead of delegation to Morocco, Rabat. We are with the Crested Cranes. And first of all, I need to thank Engineer Moses Magogo, the FUFA president, who has given us an opportunity to come and try our girls in these friendly games with a new coach. And we are here with the technical team, and I want to appreciate that every department is functioning well. The other thing also, I need to appreciate the players. We arrived here in Rabat around 8 in the morning. That's the time when we arrived. We are putting up in the rehab hotel. That's in Rabat. And the players who joined us yesterday, who are playing international games, they arrived yesterday, and they are part of the team. And I want to tell the people in Uganda that the team is in a good condition. Personally, I've watched them training, and I believe that they are going to give us results. The women in football is one of the most admired games now in the entire world, and I want to tell my fans, our people in Uganda, that let us support. And I believe that the friendly games we are going to have, I believe that we are going to win. On the 1st, we are going to have the first friendly game. Then on the 5th, we are going to have the second friendly game. Then we shall get back home.